Welcome everybody to this webinar on XLOOKUP Unlocked, Upgrade Your Excel Skills. My name is Alan Murray and I spend every day of my working life really talking about Excel, talking about Power BI and other Microsoft products, and I've done a variety of webinars that are available at this site. I've also written books, I've run a YouTube channel, and I've been teaching businesses and professionals about the use of data really and spreadsheets for a long time now. In this webinar, it's all about the XLOOKUP function, a function that was released about 5 to 6 years ago from the time of recording, came out around 2019, 2020 kind of bridge. So it's reasonably new and it's the successor to the infamous VLOOKUP function. And we'll see a lot of stuff that XLOOKUP can do either better or simply that the predecessor, shall we say, VLOOKUP cannot do. We're also going to see it performing the same job, but maybe in a kind of better way. So we'll see some exact match lookups, we'll see it return data from ranges, and then we'll see some more powerful examples, some advanced examples, if you will, of what XLOOKUP is truly capable of. So without further ado, if I get rid of these slides and we'll get into the action. And this is a workbook that is provided along with this webinar. It's a file named XLOOKUP practice file. And we're going to begin here with a classic lookup scenario. So something that some of you watching this webinar have quite possibly done a few times before. Now, I am aware when I do webinars like this that I don't know necessarily the audience that I'm talking to, and we're going to have to make some assumptions because we only have so much time.